Hello guys, today I will show you how to enter second sea because I see a lot of people do not know where to go after they get to level 700. So you can like and subscribe, and now let's start. First you have to go to this prison right here and talk with military detective. After you got here, you talk with this man. He will give you a key. With that key you have to go to this island. Now you enter here and you have to unlock with key this door, but because I already made it I can't. But after you open this key with the key this door, you have to kill the boss, and after you kill the boss you go back to the military detective. After you come back, he will tell you, he is going to tell you that to go to C2 you have to go to the middle town and talk with the captain. Now the middle town is after the starter island for the pirates, is the second, this here, which is next to the jungle. So after you come here you have to go to the other side of the town and talk with this captain, experienced captain. After you talk with him, he will ask you if you want to go to the sea, to the second sea, and you will say yes. And it's just going to teleport you to the second sea. And yeah, you are already in the second sea. And I made a video already how to get to the cafe or the trading center, so you can go to watch it. So bye for me.